Hey guys, it's Little YT Tutorials, back again with another video. Wait, this is a new channel. This is my first tutorial video. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you how to defeat the Ender Dragon. And as you guys can see right here, here are the materials. But before we get with that, I'm going to show you the end portal frame. Usually it would be in a stronghold if you're doing survival. So let me show you the materials. So you need a stone sword or higher, a bow, and a stack of any type of food, or not really stacked, but yeah, 3 beds, 1 stack of any type of blocks, lava bucket, 3 crying obsidian or obsidian, optional as the pickaxe. You don't need a really pickaxe, and an arrow. So let's get in this end. And the pickaxe is actually if you like get stuck in those things, like those end things, like you get in a cave of them and you have to mine out to go. And yeah, so this is how you one cycle the Ender Dragon. So I'm gonna show you right now. So first we have to go to the Bedrock thing where he purges. And as you guys don't know, purge means like the Ender Dragon comes down and stands there. You know how it stands. We don't really need to get any end crystals for this, so we just have to wait. And so I think, I don't know if this is true, but if you're closer to the Bedrock thing, the more chance of his purging. So right here, as you can see for a second, he's close to purging. He doesn't actually purge, but then he starts purging. So this is how the real hardness gets in. First, shoot him in the head with the bow. And yeah, so make sure, I made a mistake here. I was trying to get him over there. You have to go all the way back in the neck. 5 critical hits. Hit him 5 times. Then you have to put 2 pieces of block, then a crying obsidian right there, as you can see. And I put 2 over the bedrock next to that. So you can see, plays along like that. And then you just tower like about 15 blocks up. It doesn't really matter, estimate of 15 or something, not that much. You don't have to really have count. But then you put the lava bucket, and then you stand right here, and then just keep spamming beds. Easy like that. 3 only beds you need for this, and this is actually a really good step to defeat the Ender Dragon. 1 cycle, guys. Let's go. We defeat the Ender Dragon. Let's go to the end portal, boys.